Hello and welcome to this ETZ video for timesheet validation. Within this video I'll be going through the steps that administrators would need to follow in order to validate a timesheet after the manager has approved. Timesheet validation is used within the system as a secondary check that all information on the timesheet is correct. If however changes need to be made, you can do these at the validation stage. Once a timesheet or a group of timesheets have been approved, navigate to the Timesheets menu and Online Validation. Within this screen you are going to see timesheets that have been authorised either via the online approval or ETZ sign options. Timesheets that have image files such as the faxback approval are located in a separate validation screen, as shown in the video titled Incoming Timesheet Images Validation. If the timesheet or timesheets have been approved by the manager, then you can quickly validate these timesheets by clicking on the tick boxes and selecting the Validate Selected Timesheets button. I'll demonstrate this now. Alternatively, if changes are required, then you can select the pencil icon to show a detailed view of the timesheet. It is at this stage where numerous changes can be made, such as the units value, the bill value or pay value, and so on. If you are amending values such as the pay or bill, then there is also a recalculate button located here. When these changes have been made, you can click this button to make sure that the overall figure is calculated again based on the changes. The system will also warn you if there is a problem. For example, if you have assigned a purchase order number to the assignment but you have removed this from the timesheet, then a yellow warning box will appear at the top upon trying to validate. I'll demonstrate this now. Here is our purchase order number. If I remove this purchase order number and try to validate, we will receive a yellow warning box. The warning will inform you of the problem so that you can amend the detail and validate. Alternatively, you can use the override button to bypass this warning and continue to validate, located here. This is of course one example, but the system will inform you if there is something wrong. You will also at this validation stage have the chance to reject the timesheet. One example of using this would be if the manager has approved but the detail is not correct. If you reject the timesheet, you will need to provide a reason in the Reject Note section, located here. Failing to do this will result in a red error box appearing at the top of the validation screen. This error will inform you that you need to enter a Reject Note if you have not done so. I will demonstrate this now. Once rejected, the timesheet will go back to the worker to be amended. This can then be sent through the approval process again. The reject note will also be displayed so that the people involved know why it has been rejected. Once the timesheet or timesheets have been validated, they are then ready for the invoice process. Thank you for watching this ETZ video. For additional help on the system, please contact support. For more information on the system, please see our knowledge base.